Signal Hounds, talking RF, and today we're talking about the RFS8 antenna switch. The RFS8 is an 8-port antenna switch allowing the user to switch from LF all the way through 8 GHz. Frequency, or interval switching with supported hardware, and Signal Hound Direct Connect allows the RFS8 to communicate seamlessly with the SM series line of products, the BB60D, or the SP145. With 100 nanosecond rise and fall times, this versatile tool can be utilized in pseudo-Doppler direction finding applications.
Hello and welcome to Talking RF. Sean here with Justin Crooks, Senior Engineer at Signal Hound, and today we're talking about the RFS8 antenna switch. The RFS8 allows its user to perform multi-band sweeping, direction finding, and antenna switching functions that are important capabilities of this high-powered device. The RFS8 enables accurate RF data acquisition with blazing fast switch speeds and direct access from spike. The RFS8 facilitates switching solutions for the SP145 and the BB series line of products. So Justin, can you tell us a little bit about the RFS8 and all its powerful capabilities?
Sure, yeah, the RFS8 is a RF switch, a single port 8 throw, so you can connect up to 8 antennas or 8 RF inputs to one spectrum analyzer. It works both directions, so if you need one signal generator to fan out to 8 places, it'll serve that function as well. So it only operates to 8 gigahertz as opposed to our RFS44, which goes up to 44 gigahertz. But we wanted something that would be a little bit more affordable for people who mostly deal with the comms frequencies, the ISM bands, the 2.4 and 5.8 gigahertz. We wanted something that was maybe a little bit more targeted for those frequency ranges than the RFS44.
What are some use cases for the RFS8? Where in the field would it be used?
Similar to the RFS44, it's going to be used for switching between antennas. On the production line, it's going to be used for switching between different RF inputs, maybe your different probe points or something, or different devices in your test setup. In the field and like in the military, again, there's going to be a bunch of different antennas that have different application specific that are targeting specific applications that you want to be able to switch between.
Can you walk us through the architecture of the RFS8 and the innovative designs, the ways that you've designed it to work with Signal Hound spectrum analyzer specifically?
We do have a direct connection from the firmware in the SM series or the SP145 or the BB60D, where they can control this switch even mid-sweep. If you want to sweep one antenna for this frequency range, a different antenna for this frequency range, and so on and so forth, the firmware is built into all of those, the SM devices, as well as the BB60D and the SP145 to facilitate that in real time, almost seamless. With the RFS8, it is a little bit slower than the RFS44, so it's, I want to say it's less than a microsecond. I don't remember the exact switching speed, but it's still plenty fast that, for switching between antennas, it's seamless.
And why would someone need 8 antennas connected, and how would the RFS8 help them navigate, switch between those antennas?
Yeah, 8 is a good number for pseudo-Doppler. 8's also a good number if you have different overlapping quadrants that you want to monitor. It's enough that, for general purpose, just monitoring different sectors for RF activity, 8 is generally enough.
What are the system requirements for the RFS8, and what does that afford the user?
So the system requirements, generally if you have an SM200 or an SM435, but this was more targeted for the 200, the GPIO cable will actually power and control the unit. If you have a BB60D or an SP145, it's actually going to get power from a USB port and control from the UART signal from the BB60D or the SP145. You can also control this directly from the PC or laptop even if you don't have one of our spectrum analyzers. But to really unlock the full potential of the product, it should be paired with a Signal Hound spectrum analyzer.
Well, Justin, thanks again for talking us through the RFS8. It's a really exciting product, and I think people are going to love it. Achieve ultra-fast data acquisition in the field and in the lab with the RFS8 antenna switch. Precise, efficient, and durable RF switching solutions in a versatile form factor from Signal Hound. If you have any questions about the RFS8 or any other Signal Hound products, leave them in the comments section below. Like, follow, and subscribe for more Signal Hound and RF content.